Welcome back to Fitmind Wellness, your ultimate destination for holistic well-being and productivity tips. In today's video, we have something special in store for you, a quick and energizing morning yoga routine designed to supercharge your day and enhance your productivity. If you are new to our channel and found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video and click on the notification bell to get more videos from us and giveaways. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below this video and we will be glad to assist you. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Rise and shine. It's time to kickstart your day on a positive note and set the tone for enhanced productivity. We all know that mornings can sometimes be a bit challenging, but fear not. This invigorating morning yoga routine will help you awaken your body, calm your mind, and fuel your productivity for the day ahead. Engaging in a consistent morning yoga practice offers numerous benefits. It boosts circulation, increases oxygen flow to the brain, and releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that uplift your mood. By stretching and activating your muscles, you'll also improve your posture and overall body awareness, which are crucial for maintaining focus and concentration throughout the day. Let's start with a deep and intentional breathing exercise called full yogic breath. Find a comfortable seated position, either on the floor or on a cushion. Rest your hands on your knees, close your eyes, and take a moment to center yourself. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your belly expand like a balloon. Continue to inhale, allowing your ribcage to expand, and finally, breathe into the upper chest, feeling the breath reach all the way to your collarbones. Now, exhale slowly, releasing the breath from the chest, ribcage, and finally, the belly. Repeat this process for several rounds, focusing solely on your breath. As you continue to deepen your breath, gently transition into a series of simple and mindful stretches to awaken your body. Start by stretching your arms overhead, lengthening your spine, and then slowly release, bringing your hands to your heart center. Repeat this movement a few times, syncing your breath with the motion. Now, gently roll your shoulders backward and forward, releasing any tension held in that area. Next, interlace your fingers, extend your arms forward, and round your back, creating a gentle stretch in your upper back and shoulders. Finally, twist your torso to one side, placing your opposite hand on your knee, and hold for a few breaths. Repeat this twist on the other side to awaken your spine and promote flexibility. It's time to add some energizing poses to our routine. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale as you reach your arms overhead, and as you exhale, fold forward into a forward bend, releasing any tension from your lower back. Take a few breaths in this position, allowing gravity to deepen the stretch. From the forward bend, gently place your hands on the mat and step your feet back into a downward-facing dog position. This pose stretches the entire body, particularly the back, hamstrings, and calves. Take a moment here to breathe deeply and enjoy the rejuvenating effects. From downward-facing dog, step one foot forward between your hands and rise up into warrior pose. This powerful and grounding posture energizes the legs, while the open arms promote a sense of strength and confidence. Stay here for a few breaths, visualizing yourself as a warrior ready to conquer the day. We've reached the end of our quick energizing morning yoga routine. To conclude, let's find a comfortable lying down position on your mat or even your bed. Close your eyes, relax your body, and take a few moments to practice Savasana, our corpse pose. In Savasana, allow your body to fully surrender to the ground beneath you. Let go of any remaining tension and completely relax. Focus on your breath and embrace the sense of tranquility and stillness. Take as much time as you need in this pose before gently transitioning into your day. Congratulations! You've just completed our quick energizing morning yoga routine for enhanced productivity. Remember, incorporating a regular yoga practice into your morning routine can set the stage for a productive and fulfilling day. So take a moment each morning to prioritize yourself and invest in your well-being. Thank you for joining us today at Fitmind Wellness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our upcoming videos. Wishing you a vibrant and productive day ahead. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below this video and we will be glad to assist you. Namaste.